Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to share you my not so incredible journey of starting a YouTube channel, completely different walk of life. I have been in a UK practice since last 10 years and I am a chartered certified accountant by profession. So starting a YouTube channel was like completely out of my imagination in the first place. When I thought of starting this, then it was a scary feeling. So if you are looking for some pro tips on how to grow your YouTube channel to the million subscribers, then this is not the right video for you. But if you are thinking of starting a channel or if you already started something but you are hesitating to upload your videos, or if you are uploading some videos but feeling kind of stuck in somewhere, then this video might be helpful for you to resonate on some of your current situations and move forward. So the first thing that gets in our way when we start to do something new out of completely different from what we are doing at the moment is the hesitation to start in the first place. For example, when I started this filming for my videos, then it was very different experience for myself, because I used to consider myself as a pro accountant who has spent almost a decade in accountancy, and I pretty much know all the bits and pieces of my profession. But when I came to this new area, then it was completely different game, and even the slightest thing technically was very hard for me. I used to Google for hours and hours without success, and it was really tiring. At times I felt like giving up, but I finally started uploading my videos on the YouTube, and till when I'm recording this video, I think it's the 10th or 11th video of mine, so I haven't gone too far, so still there is a long way to go. But today I'm going to share you my personal experience of how hard it was and on which part I struggled starting this journey, so that might be helpful for some of you who are stuck on some level. So the first thing is, you have considerable number of years of experience in certain field, and when you suddenly start something new, it becomes very difficult for you to adjust, because by age you are at some mature level. You don't accept yourself to be someone who needs to learn something new. So because by the time you cross 30-35 years, your mind is quite settled down on whatever you are doing at the moment. So if you start doing something completely different, then you just feel like you are a failure or have expertise to carry on with your new passion or new hobby. So that's the first thing that came in my way. The second thing is, somehow you start filming your videos and upload your first video, then you are very much scared of what someone else will tell after looking your videos. So you are scared to share that you have started a YouTube channel with your friends, because that was my personal experience, and till now I haven't shared my YouTube channel or YouTube videos with any of my friends. Just one of my best friend knows I'm doing this, but for rest of my family members and friends, it's like a complete secret, because I don't feel comfortable till this point sharing what I have started. So that's the first thing. And if you are having similar thoughts, then that's completely normal. You can accept it as a normal part of learning something and adjusting. You need some time to adjust with the new thing, and that's completely normal. It's up to you when you want to share and with whom. So that's the first thing. And the second thing is, all of your skills suck, because whatever you know and whatever you are expert at, that doesn't work in this field. For example, you might be a renowned doctor or who knows almost everything of his business, but when you start your YouTube channel, then you suck on camera, your editing skills suck, and you think that your videos are crappy. So that also drains your energy and just gets you demotivated. But that's completely normal, because imagine how you came up to this position when it comes to your business. So you can take this as an example, that you started your business 10 years ago and now you are at a pro level. So consider YouTube as also your new business or new profession. So if your business took 10 years to get to this position, then you cannot expect your YouTube skills or your editing skills or filming skills to improve overnight and just get comparable level to some pro YouTubers. So that's not gonna happen, and you have to accept it. Okay, and the third thing is, when you start uploading your videos and you instantly start counting the views and counting the subscribers, but that's not gonna happen overnight. Building your audience base and your subscriber and views and monetizing your channel takes some time, but the only key is you have to keep uploading the videos. So if you just upload a video once in a week for a few months and just see your metrics and say my channel is not growing, so if you stop uploading your videos, then your channel is dead. So the only key is keep continuing. When I researched on the YouTube on how many videos to get you to the level when you can monetize your channel. On an average, it's like 52 to 60 videos of average quality. So but if you are too focused on the quality in the initial phase, then you won't be able to upload any videos. So just start anything you like, film your videos and start uploading. Forget about the quality, because at this point nobody will care at all. The only key is to keep continuing and keep the consistency, so that by the end of few months, then you have considerable number of videos for YouTube algorithm to consider your channel for publishing, or consider your channel for promoting with the new users. So if you are not having any views, if you are not having any subscribers, then that's completely normal, and you just accept it and move on. So the only key is you keep consistent with your upload schedule, and you keep researching, you keep refining your editing skills, you keep refining your camera skills, and you keep refining your content writing skills, and that's the only way we can just move forward. I hope this video was useful to some extent, and to most of you who are just starting any new hobby. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for similar videos on productivity, time management and motivation. Stay tuned. Thank you.